So now we go to deliverables and outcomes. What are deliverables? So these refer to any unique and verifiable product, result, or capability to perform a service that is required to be produced to complete a process, phase, or project. So it may also include ancillary results such as reports, documentation, and the deliverables may be described at a summary level or in great detail. So they are typically agreed upon in the early stages of planning, usually within a project management plan, because deliverables are closely linked to your objectives. So it only makes sense that you identify what are your deliverables for this project. So similarly, that's how you think of what are my objectives when I do this project. So every project management process produces one or more outputs from one or more inputs by using appropriate project management tools and techniques. So the output can be a deliverable or an outcome. So what are outcomes? Outcomes are an end result of a process. We will go to the differences further on the next slides. So these are the different categories of your project deliverables. It may be internal or external to your organization. It may also be product related or process related. For example, it may be revenue generating or function enabling, or it may be planning related. So it may be big or small in effort and complexity, which is quite self-explanatory. So it may be stacked. So it has its related dependencies or independent and standalone. It may vary from project to project depending on the business scenario, and it may also be domain specific. For example, it may be focusing on marketing. It may also focus on business analysis. It may also focus on legal. So these are the different categories. So these are the basic differences between deliverables and outcomes. One very quick example is the project deliverable is to widen the roads. So add 2 more lanes. From 2-lane roads, you make it into 4-lane roads. So the deliverable is to add 2 more lanes and create wider roads. The outcome is that one possible outcome is that the traffic may be decongested, so you have a better traffic flow on that area. So that is basically the difference between deliverables and outcomes. So going to this table here, deliverables enables a new outcome in part of the operational organization, while outcomes is the desired operational result. So deliverables describe a feature, but outcomes describe part or new organizational state. So your deliverables will answer what new or different things will we need to realize, beneficial change, and outcomes will answer the question, what is the desired operational state of the organization using these new things? So like my example previously, an output may be a new hospital building, and the outcome is that since you have a new hospital building, it is operational and serving regional demand for hospital care, and the outcome is you reduce the waiting lists. So another example is you have an e-commerce system. So the outcome is efficient delivery of services. So that's it for our report, and we hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, you can post them on the classroom and we will respond to them. Thank you so much.